guys recognize the area? This is where I did my Honda Rebel walkthrough / review video. Nice and quiet, spacious, not a lot of traffic. This is the Kriega Duo 36 liter saddlebags. 36 liters in total, 18 on each side. I had a Kriega, the R20 backpack, and it was an amazing backpack. It's probably the only backpack that I would wear while riding my motorcycle. But I got these saddlebags because I needed more storage to carry a jacket on days like this when it gets super hot and I, don't want to wear it. So I can stuff it in these saddlebags, and it's nice because there's so much room for me to put my lunch when I need to go to work. And I carry an extra visor in here. So if I ever get off late, I can take off this tinted visor and put on the normal one. So yeah, if you guys know anything about Kriega, they make super high quality stuff. And I've been a fan of Kriega for a long time now. So the first thing is these saddlebags, they require some type of luggage rack to mount on, and you probably want that anyways, because if you think about it, these saddlebags are just resting on the seat, and if you didn't have these luggage racks right here, it would just, flop back and forth when you're riding, and you don't want that because obviously your tires will catch, and then you will probably, die or something. So that brings me to my next point here. Kriega makes the luggage racks specifically for these bags. However, they do not have a version that works for the 2019 Scrambler models. I bought these Ducati Scrambler luggage racks on eBay. They are pretty legit. Like, if you can see here, it even says this, it has the Scrambler font on there, which is kind of nice, but it's just, a metal plate right here that hooks onto underneath your seat. Let's talk about the bags. They are waterproof. I think it says that on here, right there, waterproof. So that means no additional liners are needed. I know there are other bags out there, they say it's waterproof, but it's waterproof if you buy an additional liner bag where you have to maybe put it on top or put your stuff inside that liner bag and then you put it in the main bag itself. But no, with Kriega, it is waterproof, so no additional purchase needed. So this bag itself runs for about $390 US dollars. It's pretty expensive, but Kriega, they make such good products that, I'm willing to pay that much for it. The outside flap here, it's made out of Hypalon construction. So what does that mean? It's really sturdy material, really durable, and it's waterproof. So you could pour something right here, rain, water, or whatever, and it would just slide off. And in the main compartment here, it's made out of 1000D Cordura, so basically just nylon weaves. Yeah, pretty durable stuff. So these bags, I'm gonna unhook it for you guys so you can see how it's done here. But it's basically a traditional dry bag design. So what does that mean? It utilizes a roll top design. Unclip, and you just roll, and this is your bag. And this is a waterproof design. How does it exactly work? Basically, they recommend at least 3 rolls. So you close the flaps together, 1, 2, 3, do the buckles on each side, and your stuff is now waterproof inside. It's that easy. I forgot to show you guys what it looks like on the inside here. So it has a white interior, which is great because if you have anything black, you can find it super easily. So right now what I have in here, I got my wallet, I got a towel to wipe my visor, extra external battery pack, I got a pocket knife in there, USB charger to go with the external battery pack, Of course, gotta have the blessings when you ride. And I got my regular visor without the tint. So the nice thing about having this bag is this is a removable inside liner. So yeah, white gets dirty super easily, but guess what? It's removable right here from just Velcro. Anyways, I don't want to do it, but basically you can take this whole bag out and just throw it in the washer. It'll be white and brand new again. Let's see, is there anything else I need to mention? I guess I can show you how the buckles work. So roll this up, buckle this. Sorry guys, probably out of view here, but you buckle that. Close this over, and this back strap here that essentially connects to these latches, they basically, this is what's holding onto the luggage racks itself. So it just goes through here and then it hooks on pretty easily. Let's see if I can do this without my other hand here. But it goes on like that. Oh, no, I can't. So here, so now that it's on, you basically just push it in. That's how it connects. That is something you must remember to do, because if you don't, these straps just dangle like this, and that could be pretty dangerous because it will just slap onto your tires. And I mean, I don't think it's long enough to catch, but still, it's not something you want to forget to do. So yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And I can show you guys the rest of the bike. I did get the Ducati headlight grille, extra protection for the lens, and it honestly makes it look pretty meaner. What else did I do with the bike? I got this clear gas tank protect. It's not for my zipper or anything. It's for when I'm filling up and the keys are right here. When I open it, I don't like it to scratch my tank. So that's the main reason why I got one of these. Oh yeah, let's show you guys the rear fender delete. Obviously that gigantic piece right here is gone. Got it replaced. And bam, 803. This is what the bike looks like now. This piece here is basically a 3D printed rear fender delete from this guy in the Ducati Scrambler Facebook group, and he sells all of his stuff on eBay. So if you search it up, you'll find it, or I can link it to you guys. The part that took the most time was, wire tucking, but it's pretty easy. You'll figure it out. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I've done to the bike. Loving it so far. So if anything, I'm just going to change out the exhaust and call it good. That's just a quick video on the Kriega Duo Saddlebags. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. I read everybody's comments, so just go ahead and leave a comment on, what you think about the bags or anything. Just write down whatever you guys want. I read everything, and I try to reply to everything as soon as I can. So once again, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.